Hello everyone. In previous lecture we discussed about the toxicant and toxicity. And in this chapter we studied about the definition of toxicology, scope of toxicology, branches of toxicology, types of toxicants and factor influencing the toxicity. These factors like pH, temperature, reproductive status, age, physiological status. These all are about studied during the last lectures or last previous lectures. So in today's lecture we are going to start or we are going to finish 7.4 is dose, LD50 and LC50. So we studied from dose. What is a dose? Is the amount or quantity of chemical or drug introduced into the living organism, or it is a quantity of toxicant administered to the or required by animal at one time. So dose is a toxicant or dose is the quantity of toxicant administered to the required by animals at one time, or any chemicals, or it is any chemicals or amount of quantity of chemicals or drug introduced into the living body. So this is known as a dose. The dose is received may be due to either the acute or chronic exposure, and the dose is received may be due to the either acute or chronic exposure, and acute exposure occurs over a very short period or time, usually 24 hour. Within the 24 hour, acute is period is 24 hours, then chronic exposure occurs very long period of the time, such as a week, month or year, and the amount of exposure and the type of toxin will determine the toxic effect. So determining the toxic effect, the time of exposure and quantity is determined to the toxic effect. So dose response, what is a dose response? Actually, dose response is a relationship between exposure and health effect. How much dose exposure, then the how or which effects are seen. So this relation is known as a dose response. So the relationship is important in determining the toxicity of a particular substance. So its relationship is must be important or very important to the toxicity of a particular substance. Then the larger or more intense the dose, the greater response or the effect. This is the dose make the poison. So if we add the large amount of this dose or its exposure is also greater, so this is lead to the make a poison. So dose is the very selective quantity and it is a measured by very selected concentration or selected dose. Then the dose response relationship is a fundamental concept in toxicology and the basis of measurement of the relative harmfulness of chemical, because the toxicity can be measured by the effect of substance as an organism like a tissue or cell, and we know that the individual will respond the differently to the some doses of a substance because a number of factor including their like a gender, body weight, then body texture. Therefore a population level measure the toxicity is often used. So because of that the measurement of toxicity, the one population is used. So this either the LD50 dose or either the LC50 dose. Here is the one more definition of threshold dose. What is a threshold dose? Threshold dose is the dose or exposure level below which the harmful or the adverse effect of a substance are not seen in population. So the exposure level is low, the dose level is low, and no any harmful or adverse effect of substance are seen in the given experimental population, like there may be insect, there may be a rat, there may be aquatic organism. There are the population of organism, these are the experimental population of organism. So threshold dose is a response, there should be dose or exposure level below which the harmful or adverse effect of a substance are not seen in population. This is known as a threshold dose. LD50. What is a LD50? L means lethal and D means dose. Lethal dose. and LC means lethal concentration. So LD50 is defined as a single dose of toxicant or chemical which can kill 50% of the test animal or the animal population, and LD50 means the amount of material which is actually required inside the body and which is lethal to 50% of the total population, and it is a calculated dose substance which is expected to cause the death of 50% of entire defined experimental animal and is known as a medium lethal dose. Medium lethal dose means they kill the 50% population organism. Then LD50 is generally utilized in terrestrial animals like rat, bandicoots, which given by a oral dose. So here LD50's good example is a zinc phosphate. It is used for the arrest the growth of the rat or killing the rat. So zinc phosphate is a good LD50 and generally it is utilized in for the rat. What is a LC50? LD means lethal dose and LC means lethal concentration, and 50 means it kill the 50% of animal population. So LC50 is a calculated concentration of substance in air, exposure to which or a specified length of the time is expected to cause the death of 50% of entire defined experimental animal population. So exposure is in air means here is the root of exposure is the air. Then LC50 is applied mostly in the aquatic media, but in terrestrial animal the root of exposure is inhalation. So because of it inhalation, because its concentration substance in air, so route of exposure from for the terrestrial animal is inhalation. Then LC50 is only convenient preference point for the expressing the acute lethal toxicity of a given toxicant due to the test animal, because certain toxicant or chemicals are lethal, that is they are given to animal, death is sure. The concentration it should be decide how much concentration dose kill the how much individual. So this is the observe the response to lethal concentration. At least the concentration which cause the death of 50% animals should be selected, and the concentration which cause the death of the 50% animals or the specific duration, this known as a LC50, and this known as a lethal concentration, and it is a method of reporting the acute toxicity result for the symbol used. It is the LC50 and lethal concentration, and it is applied mostly in aquatic media or if it is applied into the terrestrial animal, route of exposure is inhalation. Then LC50 is only convenient reference point for expressing the acute lethal toxicity of a given toxicant due to the test animal. Then it is a given toxicant in the test animal, therefore a safe concentration which permits the successful survival. Why it is only 50%? Because of the success, because of the other factors like successful survival, reproduction, growth and other animal life processes in natural habitat is usually less than the LC50. So these are the difference between LC50 and LD50. LC50 means LD50 is defined as the amount of chemical that when ingest or injected or applied on the skin of the animal and else for the killing for the 50% of animal population, and LC50 means its lethal concentration of the chemical in the air, water will kill the 50% of the test animal with single exposure. This is the main difference of LD50 and LC50. So today we finished the dose LC50 and LD50. So here our 7th chapter from environmental biology and toxicology, toxicant and toxicity is finished here. So today I stop here. Thank you.